Welcome to the beginner's journey on how to use a lathe. I'm starting from scratch, as you've seen in a few of my other videos. And each week you're going to get to see a little bit of my progress. I try to practice something new each week, try to figure out dig-ins, catches, the skew chisel. So come along on my journey. Let's roll up our sleeves, put back our hair, and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, trying to do the bead and coves isn't going so well. So I used the toe to try and draw my lines. And then I saw where someone did a V cut to create the cove. This is where I started. And it just kept getting skinnier and skinnier. I think I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board a little bit. Or maybe I just need to work more on getting to know my tool better. It could be that it isn't sharp. I need to work on, and you can't really see that on there. I need to maybe get back to my grinder. I'll keep at it. So one trick I saw is to put a marker right here so you stay on the tool where you need to be. Because I think I have a tendency to come in and not go on my bevel first and then rotate. So I'm poking into the wood with the toe or sometimes digging in with the heel. And now for the bead, I want to dig in a little bit with the heel. I don't have a very good switching back and forth with sides. Seems to be difficult as well. So I'm going to draw a little marker on here to see if that'll help. But with my face shield on, I think I would have to be way up close to try and see the marker. So maybe I just need to get better at the feel. I think my biggest thing is to remind myself to set it flat on the tool. Maybe that's it too, because I wiggle back and forth a little bit. So flat on the tool, the 45-degree angle, make sure to do the bevel first, and then I think when I come in to turn it, I lift off the tool and then I'm poking in, or I dig in this way. So let's see what happens when I practice a little bit more.